Hi, my name is Teni Butler, and I am currently a life cycle assessment practitioner. In life cycle assessment, you're looking at data sources that help you determine what the environmental impact of either a business or a product or a process is. And so it's a lot of data management and model creation that provides direction and data to help business leaders make decisions about a process or a product, especially in the chemical engineering space. When I was in high school, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do long term. I knew that I was, at least decent in the sciences, at math, at chemistry, at physics, and really enjoyed chemistry. And so as I was looking at different opportunities and areas of study, it looked like engineering would be a good place to go. And then even more specifically within the world of engineering, chemical engineering was very attractive. I was really fortunate in university to have was a dedicated process safety class. A lot of times after sophomore year, after junior year, you're going out, you're getting internships, you're getting co-ops, and you haven't necessarily had a lot of exposure to safety yet. Fortunately, there are some really awesome opportunities that AIChE has been stewarding and creating access to for undergraduate chemical engineers, and that's with the SASH curriculum, with the Safety in Chemical Engineering courses or modules that are available online. I wish that I had known about those when I was in undergrad, and I wish that I had a better understanding of safety and what it means in the chemical engineering world. Most of my experience has been in specialty chemicals, but even within that, with the engineering background, the chemical engineering background, I've had the opportunity to be in a plant and be in a process improvement role. I've had an opportunity to be in a technical service role where I'm interacting with customers and helping support the products that they're using from my company in their processes. So when they need some troubleshooting and some technical help, I've been involved in that space. And then now currently in the life cycle assessment space. So 3 very different areas that have all been achievable because of the breadth and the depth, but really the breadth that a chemical engineering degree has given me the ability to work from. Some of the biggest challenges are always around data fidelity. So we have a really great resource in SAP that helps us get a lot of data into an accessible form. But with LCA, your results are only going to be as good as the data that you input. If you have a faulty system that you don't know about, or if you have a lot of products that are coming from the same cost center or production center, and you have to make different decisions that are, again, governed by those ISO standards, which you have to follow these decision trees and make different decisions about how to deal with that problem or that inconsistency with the data. That can definitely impact your confidence in your results and your rating of that LCA. To someone considering pursuing chemical engineering, it is a wonderful opportunity to learn a lot about how things that you never knew existed work, and things that you have no idea where they come from. I'm always really inspired when I talk with students, chemical engineering students. I'm always inspired to hear where they're going, all of the different places and all of the different reasons that each one of those students has selected that degree path. AIChE also has several divisions and forums They have the Climate Solutions Committee, the Environmental Division. There's several others that are bending that way as well. And so one way to educate yourself and connect with professionals who are already in that space would be through those resources that AIChE has available.